Hello and welcome. Today we shall be putting more emphasis on how to relate the contents of a passage. The topic given today is Lost Opportunity from the Hindu editorial. Now, which opportunity is getting lost is to be learned through this passage. The subtopic says India's loss in failing to develop the Chabhar port project in Iran. Chabhar uh, is an area where uh, a port is planned to be developed. It is in Iran. India's loss might be China's gain. This is important. What makes India lose the opportunity and how China gains is to be learned through this passage. So this becomes important. Let us mark it. India's loss China's gain, Chabhar port project. These are the three important, which we shall keep in mind while we go ahead with the passage. So it begins with, right from the beginning of its tenure, the government has underlined. Now, whose tenure? The tenure of the government. Beginning of the government when it was incepted or came into power. It had made it important. Here underline means to make important. Made it an important issue to develop a geo-strategic Chabhar port project. This port project is geo-strategic. How does it work out? Chabhar port project is geo-strategic. I will have to look ahead in the passage to learn how Chabhar port project is geo-strategic. Geo stands for an area on earth, and strategic means something very important that will carry so many benefits once installed. The project signed in 2003. This project was signed in 2003. Has been a symbol of traditionally important India-Iran ties. This has been important for the ties also. India has good relations with Iran, and this Chabhar port project is likely to benefit both of the countries. So, it is important for both of them. This is the meaning that comes out from this sentence. It is symbol of traditionally important India-Iran ties. Connected by sea lanes, connected by sea routes to ports on India's west coast, Chabhar would form the fulcrum of India's outreach to Russia and Central Asia. What is Central Asia? See, Central Asia covers some 5 countries which together made Soviet Union. Now they are separate countries, and they encompass within the area of Central Asia. These this area is important because they are oil producing in a country. India needs lot of oil uh, as important import. So so where were we? Connected by sea routes to ports on India's west coast, Chabhar would make the important important point of India's outreach to Russia and Central Asia. India will be able to reach Russia and Central Asia, enhancing connectivity. It will it will improve the connectivity. It will give a route connection with India, uh, and it will also enhance energy supplies and trade. And this energy supply refers to import of petroleum, crude, import of crude, you can say. So this this Chabhar port will assist in connecting India with Central Asia as well as Russia. These are this will make the keywords. And the benefit of connectivity is enhancement of energy supplies and trade. See, the countries of Central Asia as well as Saudi, they don't have their own production of so many things, and they buy it. So India will benefit from selling their produce, whether it is grains or cloth, textile, and will also benefit from the imports that it will make from these countries. Given that Pakistan had blocked Indian aid to Afghanistan, Pakistan had blocked the route to Afghanistan because for reaching Afghanistan the land route was used, and all trade over land. Chabhar provided India an alternative to permanently bypass its troublesome neighbor. Now Chabhar helps in bypassing. Bypassing means going through the sea and avoiding the land route. This is how India will be able to bypass the trouble created by its neighbor. As a result, the government fast tracked plans for the project, and in 2016, Prime Minister Modi was in Tehran to sign a trilateral trade. There was a trilateral trade. They have to make an MOU where 3 persons. The first is Iranian president, second is president of Afghanistan, and third is Modi. According to the MOU, would be granted a 10-year lease. This is important. 10-year lease. India will have the advantage of 10-year lease to develop and operate 2 terminals and 5 berths. Terminals refer to endpoints of a route, and berths refer to points of access on a dock. The ships, when they reach a port, they require docking area. Now this docking area is called berth. So India will have 5 berths over there on the port, and will never have a trouble for docking its ships. access to the Chabhar Free Trade Zone and the opportunity to make 628-kilometer rail line from Chabhar to Zahedan, just across the border from Afghanistan. Now, these are further developments. Once the connectivity is established through the sea, uh, India had plans to make rail routes so that they can access so many other areas like Central Asia. The government acted quickly to develop Chabhar port facilities, sent exports to Afghanistan also in 2018, and has moved over half a million tons of cargo. Now this is what India has given out for development of that port, including grains and food supplies for Afghanistan again. This food supply was required by Afghanistan, 500,000 ton of cargo. 500,000 ton of cargo was given, which included grains and food supplies. Afghanistan is not able to produce grains of its own, so it always depends on imports, and India normally is a big help for them. However, the rail line has never taken off for a number of reasons, despite a commitment from state-owned IRCON to undertake its construction at an estimated this much of amount, 1.6 billion. Now, this sentence says that rail line development of rail line, it never took off. What were the reasons? Never taken off. Never taken off. Sorry. Rail line has never taken off for a number of reasons. What were the reasons? While contract changes by Iranian side and delayed responses from Indian side were part of the problem. So, Lagarde affairs by India and some changes by Iran. These were some of the reasons. But the main hurdle has been fear of American penalties. America had some restrictions on Iran, and that is feared dangerously. No country in the world has guts to disobey America. So American sanctions over Iran has some conditions, and definitely that is a matter of fear, and that is not expected to be violated by Americans. Even though India was able to negotiate a sanctions waiver, India has some good relations with America. It can negotiate sanctions, waiver of the sanctions imposed by America for the Chabhar port and rail line from the US. Negotiate sanction waiver. India is able to do it. Few international construction and equipment partners were willing to sign on to the project. Some other firms other than IRCON were also interested in signing the project. New Delhi has also dragged its feet on the matter. Now, this is another point. New Delhi did not show much of interest in the project. What is expected is the fear of American sanctions, US sanctions. After appeals to India, including one issued by its Foreign Minister Javad Zarif, when he visited Delhi in January this year, Iran decided to go on its own. This is important. Iran decided to go of its own. Now, Javad Zafari is foreign minister of Iran. This sentence has a meaning of that. By beginning to lay tracks for the line connecting Chabhar to Afghanistan and Turkmenistan last week. So, Iran virtually decided to have its own rail line connecting Chabhar, Afghanistan and Turkmenistan. Regardless of the reasons for India's inability to join the railway project, the decision can only be seen as an opportunity lost. The decision not to go ahead with the project is an opportunity lost. The impression that India wavered due to US pressure, especially after India cancelled oil imports from Iran, also questions New Delhi's commitment to strategic autonomy. Now, these are some of the proofs why India withdrew from the project. India had already stopped imports of crude from Iran, and the main reason was sanctions, US sanctions. While Iran claims it will fund the railway using its own resources, it seems to have embarked on Chabhar Zahedan project with a confidence born from an imminent deal with China. Confidence born from an imminent deal with China. Here China comes to play for a 25-year, 400 billion strategic partnership on infrastructure, connectivity, energy projects. Now this means that China is ready to lend this much of amount, 400 billion, within 25 years to Iran, so that Iran can have its will-to-do condition, because currently it is having sanctions and it is hand-to-mouth to maintain its economy. In a world where connectivity is seen as the new currency, now this is a good comment. Easy connectivity means easy flow of money, and that is why it is being said in other words that connectivity can be compared with the currency. India's loss could well become China's gain, and New Delhi must watch this space created by its exit closely. Now, India should see how it is losing out so much of benefits out of this by moving out of this project. So, gentlemen, what we had in this passage, we had just 3 or 4 things. First is that India has had a grand project of developing a port at Chabhar only because India found a trouble while having trade with Central Asia areas through land routes because of its neighbor Pakistan. But in the meantime, when the project got delayed by a lot, project began sometime in 2003, and by 2018 there was a lackluster approach by Indian government, and that killed the whole thing, because by this time US imposed some sanctions on Iran. that no one should buy anything from Iran, no one should sell anything to Iran, and this sanction made uh, uh, Indian government also to think 5 times before going ahead with the project, and these were the main reasons why the got stuck after 2018. But China took uh, advantage of this situation and offered Iran a, a big money. 400 billion is a lot of money. 400 billion, so that Iran can develop a rail line as well as port of its own and earn money through it. Now, once China takes takes over, the India's importance over the project development nullifies. This is the loss. This is the loss. And if you lose connectivity for things like crude, you lose a lot. So, this is the passage. See, in case you do not understand anything or want me to explain more closely or in particular a few sentences, please write in the comment. Please like it and subscribe also this channel. Thank you.